Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products for your needs. Today, we're diving into the KARIN women's Halterneck sleeveless ruched bodycon slit wrap party cocktail midi dress. If you're in search of the perfect guest of wedding dress, you've come to the right place. Let's explore why this dress stands out from the rest. The KARIN dress is designed to impress. It features a halterneck design with a sleeveless cut, offering a blend of elegance and comfort. Made from 95% polyester and 5% elastane, it's not only stylish but also offers a medium stretch, ensuring a flattering fit for various body types. What makes this dress perfect for wedding guests? Firstly, its high slit and wrap style accentuate your silhouette, making it a standout choice for cocktail parties or formal gatherings. The dress is meticulously crafted with attention to detail, including an empire waist and a chic pencil design, all contributing to a sophisticated look that's bound to turn heads. Crafted from high-quality materials, this dress is easy to care for with simple machine wash instructions. Its top lining ensures comfort without sacrificing style, making it a versatile option for various occasions throughout the year. Available in sizes ranging from S to 2XL, the KARIN dress caters to a wide range of body shapes and sizes. Before ordering, make sure to check the detailed size chart provided by the seller to ensure the perfect fit. Wondering how to accessorize this dress? Pair it with your favorite heels and minimal jewelry for a chic, sophisticated look. Its classic design allows for versatility and styling, whether you prefer a bold statement or a more understated elegance. In conclusion, the KARIN women's halterneck sleeveless ruched bodycon slit wrap party cocktail midi dress is not just a dress. It's a statement piece. Ideal for wedding guests or any special occasion, its combination of style, comfort, and quality makes it a must-have in your wardrobe. Don't miss out on this fantastic piece that promises to elevate your fashion game effortlessly. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on top-notch products like this one. Until next time, stay stylish and stay tuned for more recommendations. Thank you for watching.